How's it going, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment and we've got to take a look at a plug toilet. Let's see what we find. To the right here?
Yep.
Alright. I'm going to close the door because I'm going to take down my mask, okay?
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm triple vaccinated. So.
You're triple?
Yeah, and I rapid test almost every day. So.
Oh, really, eh?
So, okay. Go ahead, whatever makes you feel good.
I just don't want to wear my mask. Alright, let's see. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got the auger from Rigid. Alright, so we got it with plunging. There you go, looks good. So, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.